folks, welcome back to the channel. Now, over the last few weeks, occasionally at the end of a video I say, if there's anything that you want to see, let me know and we'll have a look, see if we can get it in. I've had a few requests for things, kind of budget watches from Lorus, which is a sub-brand of Seiko. So today, I haven't done an unboxing for a while, so we're going to do an unboxing. And this is a Lorus, and it is the RT336JX9. So yeah, let's take a look, get my first impressions, and peel some plastic off, if there's any on it. See you on the other side of the camera. Right, so here we go. As I said, it is the Lorus RT336JX9. Pretty standard Lorus box, little outer sleeve, we don't need that. And then you're just a cardboard box, perfectly functional. These are currently on Amazon UK for about 25 quid. So let's see what you get for your money. Piece of sponge, there's the watch. What else do we get in there? A instruction manual and a warranty card. That's it. That's what you get. And a sponge. Ooh, we've got a swing tag. Pop that off of there. Move that away. And there we go. Let's have a look. Oh, look, we got plastic. We have got plastic. Lots of plastic by the look of it. I don't normally do this on camera because it has a habit of going terribly wrong. Or you can't get plastic off and all the rest of it. There we go, we get rid of that. Got another piece on there. And I didn't bring a knife out with me. Let's see if we can get this off. Actually feels like it's got a bit of weight in it, to be fair. It's not too bad. These things, I've had one of these before where they get completely stuck, which is a bit of a nightmare. This one was okay though. As you can see, it's all PVD coated in black, or IP, one or the other. And oh, there we go. There's the one on the dial. So let's remove that. That is so satisfying. Doesn't matter on the cost of the watch. But yeah, there it is. Lorus, and it's chronograph, as you can see. I'm not sure if it's a stainless steel case or if it's got some more plastic on there, which obviously I will have to get off. Oh yeah, that came off okay. If not, that'll be when we come to the review. We've got a bit of very, very shiny gold plating on that fixed bezel, the tachometer bezel. What we got on the sub dials, 24-hour sub dial, and then seconds at the 6, and minutes, which is a 60-minute counter at the 9 o'clock. And is the seconds hand hitting the marks? No, it's not completely. Maybe sometimes, yeah, that one did. Or it could just be the way that you hold it at the camera. So yeah, still a little bit of plastic on there that'll have to come off later. Folded link bracelet, pressed clasp, hollow end links. Ooh, we got some branding on there, which is all right. It's not bad. Lorus on the back. To be fair, it doesn't actually feel too bad. We kind of in the hand, although you know, we'll give it a little bit of a chance. We'll close that up. That bracelet is going to do the Texas rattlesnake shake. Let's have a look, see if the chronograph works. Of course, the minutes hand is in the way, so let's just pull that out of the way and move that. There we go. And we'll start that off. Is it a working chronograph? Well, would you look at that? Yes, it is. A functioning chronograph from Lorus, part of the Seiko group. So, you know, it's going to be reliable and bulletproof. It is 25 quid. Let's not forget that. So yeah, we will come back in a week or so and we'll do a proper review on this one. First impressions are It's got a little bit of weight. It's the bracelet, because of the way it's done, being those folded links, which will be a nightmare to adjust, as we know. 2 levels of micro adjust. So yeah, it's yeah, the bracelet's a bit chintzy, but you know, if you really hate it, you know, you can put what you like on it. The IP coating or PVD coating seems to be pretty fair, to be honest. So yeah, there we go. That is, or has been, unboxing of the Lorus RT336JX9. All the other kind of features and dimensions and everything will be in the review, but that is it for now. Just a quick unboxing of a Lorus, because of subscribers have asked for them. So yeah, I'll get the rest of the plastic off and I will see you in the next video. Cheers for now.